The next thing we have is save a buck. Can we give you a suggestion to save a buck today? I'm going to suggest that you change your insurance company. I know.
Do you know who my wife is? I can't do that.
Yeah, I know your wife's an insurance agent. Okay, but even your wife as an insurance agent will tell you that the new customers are always going to get the best rates.
Yeah.
All things considered equal. Same work history, same credit score, same income level, okay? If you're a new customer to a company, you're going to get the better price, okay? And one of the easiest and probably the smoothest ways to do that is work with an insurance broker. If you work with an insurance broker, they can work with a number of different insurance companies to find you the best price, and it just makes the job so much easier, all right? And you don't pay up for working with an insurance broker, but by changing your insurance company every couple of years, whether it be 2 years, 3 years, whatever it is you're comfortable with, you're probably going to end up saving some money, okay? And even if you go out and get all your quotes, okay, what's the worst thing that happens? You find out that you're paying a good rate for your insurance and you're good. So go and look into changing your insurance company, get a couple of quotes for your home and auto insurance. And I tell you, if you do that, if you do what I'm suggesting you do today and you don't save $100, I'd be surprised.
And I will say this, if that's not a path that you want to do, the best thing to do is ask your insurance agent for a review on your insurance coverage. That way you always know what's going on with it, what you're paying for, if you're not comfortable. But yeah, going with a broker, you're going to be able to shop around, get a lot of different options. So that's also a good option.
Yeah, and you just want to make sure you're always comparing apples to apples.
Yeah.
You know, make sure your coverages are the same in each scenario and all that kind of stuff. Sometimes, like for Tammy and I, we had a situation where Tammy got in an accident, and we were with West Bend Mutual, and West Bend Mutual was great. They called us that day. They were concerned about Tammy. They made sure our car was taken care of and everything. We had to do very little to take care of ourselves when it came to that accident, because they were the customer service was out of this world. Okay, and if that is worth a couple $100, and honestly, it probably is worth a couple $100 a year to have good customer service in a company that you know is going to answer the phone and help you out and make sure that you're taken care of properly. It's got some value to it, and that's not something to discard for just the bottom line. But changing your insurance company occasionally, regretfully, is kind of what the marketplace requires in order to get those best rates and things like that. All right. So that is our Save a Buck suggestion of the week. Hey, thanks for tuning in today, you guys. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you want to know when we put out the next one, give me a bell notification. It's a little bell on the bottom right-hand side. And subscribe. You want to know when I'm coming out with new stuff or whatever. You want to be able to check us out and be alerted to new video content coming your way. Subscribe button's really the way to go. Thanks again for tuning in, you guys. Remember, the better you take care of your house, better it's going to take care of you. Have a good one.